If your mortgage is coming up for renewal, stop scrolling. This isn't just paperwork, it's a financial opportunity most people totally miss. And in 2025, it could save you thousands of dollars. Let me show you how. Hey, I'm Jenna Drummond, Calgary Realtor, local market expert, and someone who genuinely wants to help you make some smart real estate decisions. So today we're diving into mortgage renewals, what they are, why they matter, and how to approach them strategically here in Calgary. A mortgage renewal happens when your term ends, typically every 1 to 5 years, and you need to either renew with your current lender or switch to a new one. So this is your chance to renegotiate your rate, your payment schedule, and the terms. But too many homeowners just sign whatever their bank sends over. Don't be that person. Almost 70% of Canadian mortgages are up for renewal in the next 3 years, and yours might be one of them. Interest rates are stabilizing, home equity is up, and lenders are competing harder than ever. This is your chance to lock in a better deal or at least structure your mortgage around your life and not just your loan. Here's how to set yourself up for success. Start this 3 to 4 months before your term ends. Review your finances. Decide, are you renovating, moving, or changing your income? Check your credit score, better rate. Compare lenders. A mortgage broker can shop rates for you. Know the fine print, penalties, prepayment rules, portability, because this stuff matters. In Calgary right now, we're seeing more inventory, stable rates, and rising equity. And that means that it's a great time to reevaluate your mortgage and align it with your goals. Whether that's upgrading, investing, or just keeping your monthly payments manageable. Here are 3 common mistakes I see over and over again. Number 1, signing too quickly. Your lender's first offer is rarely their best. Second, only looking at the rate, because flexibility matters too, so definitely keep this in mind. 3, not asking questions. A 10-minute phone call could literally save you thousands of dollars. I work closely with top mortgage brokers here in Calgary, and I can connect you to the right people, help you review your options, and show you how your home equity fits into the bigger real estate picture. Whether you're staying where you are, upsizing, or investing, it all starts with the right mortgage. If your renewal date is coming up in the next 6 months, let's chat. I'll help you make a plan that saves money, builds equity, and it fits your lifestyle. All of my contact information is below. You can feel free to schedule a free call, or you can download one of my buyer's guides or seller's guides to get started. If you found this information helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might be up for a renewal too. I'm Jenna Drummond, your go-to Calgary Realtor, and I'll see you in the next one.